Ewo abefo ntentan fidie kese no eso na ebeto dwa se abaye bi anedin ede Deborah Seyram ede ne Sugar bi akwa mu ewo asemdibia aban asemdibia mekire high court kire se owure yi sisi no de na efa kwan bi so ara ni ende ho nti Ghana asemdibia omonhwe na omundi nasem emfama no nde ka bia ho bia omombo Sugar emfama ono Deborah nanso no enche bia da nansem yen konkohwa abefo ntentan fidie kese no so ampanifo se bebi a chechira abo odwan hwa na isano no eno ntin asende bia de krata tententen aba beto abefo ntentan fidie kese no so kire se abaye edibi de ma wo enyiye eno nti wasam no yabo atu ediegu na eno mu na maame na donko ata de ensem betu dwa na ode na no ebetu mesanse omo ya abefo ntentan fidie kese no so mpanifo omo ka bia ewom mami edna no betum na ndi odna futu sem kakra ede tu fom Deborah ebedi na tembe so si ne so ka kire se sabi ne mba wo mu inada yarefo eno ntin ka ono mpodie onsan fata se wode na no ebeto na sem ebusua eno nkonkoda na Maa Linda enso ede afutu sem wonu se ba abefo ntinta fide ka sen so a mpanifo a ma mpanifo mo ho eni maamefo yi Maa Linda enso ede nsem betu dia kire se se Sugar bi ehye oboso obeto ka ama obeto den ama ya na sabi monhwa krata no so ehwe say bibia ewo so ansa maje ne proposal ana ne pena wosem no maje ato ye Maa Linda kan yani abaye etwa bone papa but before that mpese quick one yankotie Maa Linda de no ana yankohwe Maa Linda de no emfa embra yeba Deborah so kasa de betu dwa no de bemam
Deborah Lerua you could a peace offering Mr. Roma, me said, Yamis from Becan, no man can ya fetch me why. Yamis from Becan, no man can ya buy ya fetch me why. Now, somebody buying a court near J because a man be a quasiache. What has it? I saw by a court no to be honest, nay the pub because say you not on me any that so. What I say, because it's a papa J kind of say, would you cratan to Mr. They not make and say, Munina, you find you so ben because me a can or me if ya every day on grata and to be because a man no mucha trouble papa be mo o mucha trouble to me that dow e dia catch us if you would dia kai would dia o do some of us who use from be years from very grata and na so what I say Deborah to my man can ya fache me abaya what I said oh ma me could a piece of friends said dia me pass ndue dia tanas
abusia Maa Linda nsama ode betu dwa no wadwene kire wo sen na wodwene ho sen ebi ese wo hura abaye ebi nso ese afutu na wode Ghana embaya omo esiso nanso ne nsem a okai na da no me comment comment section ase nsem Maa Linda ekai na da no abaya Deborah Seyram ant homache ende o kire se kokuram amfere se obeso hene so a onso onfere se wode asawa ebetare so ende ono nso aba be twebi ede Maa Linda ba kire se o mi woni enye Rese abaya no wohwe bebi a wotosi na wode ho no akasa ede akire wo kire se Maa Linda eni enye alokimi enso no obi asamba na osomudwam na oka ne sede wonim nanso no memehwe video no me hunu se nenka eya futu Deborah amfa na futu ofana temedie atobi edi amane Maa Linda enkonkohwe Deborah so ede emfa emra
mahu se enkrofo bebre baahye is it Seyram or Seyram girl ya ode the Sugar Daddy court after she lost the case ayasan bon ka say fa hen ko see hin and then the reason why people are bashing her is because of nsema oka etre yaye maame na donko Arthur after Nana donko Arthur babo ntin be make some more transfers about in the lost case no Nana donko Arthur I love you so much me babruchi hay baby I made me bo baby uncle me bo din bia people are like oh say maame no as a predator and like I like her because me ankasa me pray you see genuinely I like you but the truth to be told if you don't take time you lose your credibility here on the social media no so ho e bi na yeah enema bi anko yama ya fe na yes san ya dwen no so who did the numbers achi and the fact that I have fans bibi I can be almost so much sometimes but can be on we are not and your fans in United that will be the time you start losing them automatically you went too far Accra no case ne ba ye no obeka bi now after she lost the case wabekasa nsema woka nyina no na wokunda de joti wachi kro dispute your facts na wo making because to him you were not making too much sense you understand you know, I feel what it's okay. You know, bibia want a limit. Yeah, mo be assemble social media can be. There is a limit to everything you can say. You could have just talked about the fact that the girl have lost the case. And the Maya Musumu looking forward to Modem Sugar Daddy's Ebeko court. No, I hope some Musumu because I wouldn't call court one gather enough evidence. You just gonna lose. I mean, you could have made such submissions rather than going as a minimum. So now we're full. So now that the Joe so I saw yeah, man, some kakrana. Because I said you poured too much frustration on addressing the girl's issue to the extent of saying, say, me bom paye say, ubenya ko worry. No ukunbe kwa for bar, no bani do kunbe court. What case ya kolana right there? That was a case. Yeah, you know, we made mistakes. Me can't be a mistake I'm here in my life, 2017. I call it a sweet mistake. Me a mistake who fear me the one before pay free fee, and I got to the street and now tough me a do baby a dream. Maybe I know what call Motina in family house now. They are all making it in life, all right. But I'm ready. How are you to number from my sister? Because me na me pia, you know, street mama din, and it's gotten me this far. You understand? To me, I call it a sweet mistake. It's just so be I mix it, Nana. Imagine say usa. Now ko fa woman me 50 pesos be and I 1 CDB and now ko di intro go penny. There was no perfect child. There was something about you a people will call a flaw. Maybe I okoye bibi na woman me tipen. Because akola Seyram no betimi ya wo no o ma me tipa na o ma me be free ni pemu akasa me bom paye se wo benyi na se misika na afa obeda ne kromfo ma me na ka so wadome wo and then kola bebre ne nam street so abra baye basa akro no drug addicts. Some of them free cases so ma me no free mo yam e kese o mo ofie. It's nana, maybe you don't see anything wrong with what you said, but what you said to the child, I will send them pie bot pie chile, it's a case. What do me akola no? You understand? What do me akolano future onruho onhuho onim how it's gonna be, but you've cursed her future. Now ono dear beka something about her present life, which you all know. You have a special child. He's very handsome. Charlton is my little boy's friend. I did my phone TikTok on all Charlton video. He's so cool, very handsome. But ono dear what is happening in your present life? You predicted and cursed her future. But when she talked about your present life, the social media has issue about it. Because I'm Claudia, no matter what it is, you're for mom, life for mom, you know. Nana, I like you know the means to me, Jacob, because I genuinely do. Genuinely. You know, sometimes I like the way the way you are with your family and your husband and everything. But then you got exactly what you deserve from the girl. Exactly what you deserve from the girl. That's what you got. Because as someone I will you know, any deep person won't take it easy. It's okay. Why address it? Imagine what this girl will be going through. As at the time of lose case now, all you know, now corner for taxi and now for Uber. You know, as a woman kino, huru no kakra, you know, as a shen any bre. What I say? You see a boy or the anibra soneka. What's an anibra? Uhuneka, yanka enough. We are watching a case. What if what Seyram has done to her or Sunday Deborah who say one of the greatest mistakes she's trying to work on, which yam kolaye naya be mistakes in naya be in can't send be to 2 and I'm be never find now phobia. Now MYN. What if what she did was one of the greatest mistakes she's looking forward to correct? But what did the mistakes in so domino? So wo bom pie say obeni na kofa bema obema ne bekwa kofa oba na oba ne kunu be court. That was too far. That was way too far. That was just way too far. Nana, you are loved, and every day you keep being loved. But on here you lose that credibility. If you don't take time, you lose it. Because yes, social media can't people are liking you, can't people are like baby can't be over the board, you know. Now obia followers now be like, hey mommy. That is when you start losing love. Adiana kolana ye you know. It's a bold decision. Me baby am difufu. I watch him aside. Papa be am koto mo penny 4 minutes as in whatever. Oh mom you open me. You know, the girl lady no for near madam for. And papa need to name say open me. And the medium I don't normally go there. See what baho madam for the business say, hey, na GH, what's up? Me de number ma what's in can I say, what up for the way me fe pa. Is the no way anything me ya come pen. Also nan say I must start the e kokko court yi. Ono so na near den. Oh, you are not the macro court. Right there. Aram's or Seyram's example have saved someone's marriage because Abiana committee Matias, I'm a married man, I disturbing the marriage. It's one say, I'm a member be brace rule. And then sometimes Akwalana had every right to take the man to court because so Obia watch bear ma or warren panada can attest to this. That sometimes the kind of molesting this people can molest you sexually. Obi one crackety be mobo in the school fees be rent be crab on the same be akwa wo fie nti woni family support nti na papa penny a wa worry obetimi aboa akwa na sha akola ne free no e wo se won ne da. Some of these children will have to close their eyes in tears and sleep with these grown married men. Meanwhile obetimi aboa akwa ne free but onye ne free da. Obe molested no. Sometimes you see some of these videos online. Obe wan kokra bia na papa penny be ora na abo dwedwe na akraketo no miamia ne no fu no miamia kwa dem say ebi wo kwa na nkola na isu. Ono na de ne ho akọ all right. But circumstances and situations they have to be there. Some married men have led so many women into several abortions across to lose their wombs and all that. So what you say, auntie, when they come to you, these married men come to you enticing you with promises or promise on Niema, which will let you give in your all. In the process and all that. Na some married man for failure promise. Na se enem raba se court. Because some of these married men are deliberately spoiling our young children, young girls. Akwala I don't know what for so no that's what someone will say all right but papa be on my dear akwala ne hwehwe no ko betima ya man free enti dia koso e wo Deborah Adabla ene papa ne ntam no it's between the two of them. What pushed her to take the man to court is between the two of them. Enti sad na akwala ne and me supporting 100%. And I'm a kind say an example, a typical example is me. Someone ran away because of Deborah example him will be running. So what she takes me to court at the end of the day because they know they don't have good intentions for the girls. And Tina don't call Arthur. You are beautiful. You have a lovely family. Your children are pretty. But trust me, you got served exactly what you deserve. The way I was attacking you know, it was so personal. Meaning, so now you all cast at a point, and I was beginning to feel say, and did you start to your master and upon the frustration on our colleague? You know, because I now who cast deeply out of pain. Be I say, and you don't have to date a married man, you know. Lady Joe, is everything all right at home? You understand what I'm saying? So now, please watch these things, and yet your home will be any do attempts, sir. And Colade be maybe more dear. Akula ono wetimi atutu na ni already be ma akoko nu ma onye oba Mr. Wa omu obedi jidi watem enyo na mo ba Seyram no. Maybe you didn't see how deep Nana's video was, but then Nana so kasa ko too much o present life for kan ho asem obuafu, but you were cursing her future. Ebia na any mistake or looking forward to correct and the future na ebia ensi obenya beautiful marriage, but you've cursed that already.
Abuzu Deborah nso nsam a ode ebeto ho ede Maa Linda na yakwa akwhwe ede aba no enye wonwa abaya a court abonasem egu akwese wopa abo okra ekunu na wonsa anka no ni ebre na nso ni bra ensoja enti abaya edi eni bre akeka bi akire maame mpanifo mi no kire se Maa Linda mpo de won twansa na wonwie na anadonkwa ata owie na na one ono nso ebetena ado nwoma so papa no we de eye comedies bi na wode ema no. Ebuzia me here comment section na say subscribe to YouTube channel, like it. Na fa sign shama meeting at the odd tuman ko ba na Kofi abakwasap ebe to me from kon sign na Kofi.